Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BV6600E, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google feature on this device. So now, as we can see, the Hey Google feature is activated, and just to turn it off, let's launch the Google application, and after that tap on the right down corner on More icon. Then just click to the settings and tap to the voice section. After that, go to the voice match, and now just to turn off the Hey Google feature, click once on the switcher and then tap again to OK. And that's it. Now the Hey Google option is turned off successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.